Guys, I've only made it, haven't I? I've only gone and got myself my own burger. That's it. I'm in London, in a restaurant, BRGRCO. Make sure you get down to BRGRCO UK and you can try out my own burger. It's called the Naughty Shayne, obviously named after me. It's naughty, it's nice, it's all things spice. Come down here, I promise you're gonna love it. If you don't, or we just don't have the same flavours in common, but we've built this burger from the ground up. I can't wait for you to eat it. Let's do this. Guys, and I can't wait for you to taste this burger. It's beef, chorizo in the patty, it's got sriracha glazed bacon, full of all the nice yummy juiciness in there for you. Just get down here and try it. And did I tell you that there's raclette cheese in there? Nice and hot, nice and chilly. Come and taste it, I can't wait.